Have you ever wanted to look younger and feel more vibrant? You might be surprised to learn that it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. Today, we're diving into 8 surprising foods rich in collagen and anti-aging boosters. These aren't just your everyday items. Some are hidden treasures that can help keep your skin, hair, and body looking and feeling young. Watch till the end to discover how these foods can naturally help you maintain a youthful glow. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 8 are eggs. These are packed with nutrients that help your body make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. The magic of eggs lies in both the white and the yolk. The egg white contains an amino acid called proline. This little powerhouse is essential for collagen production. It's like giving your skin a building block it needs to stay strong and supple. But don't toss out the yolk. The yellow center is rich in vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in overall skin health. Vitamin D helps protect your skin from damage and keeps it looking fresh and vibrant. What makes eggs unique is their complete package of skin-boosting nutrients. They provide both proline and zinc, 2 critical elements for collagen synthesis. To add more eggs to your daily routine, try whipping up a quick omelet for breakfast, or add a hard-boiled egg to your lunchtime salad. If you're in a rush, a simple scrambled egg can be a quick and easy snack. Next up at number 7 are citrus fruits. These tangy, juicy wonders do more than just wake up your taste buds. They're actually powerful collagen supporters, working hard to keep your skin firm and bouncy. At the heart of citrus fruits' skin-boosting power is vitamin C. It helps your body create the collagen that keeps your skin looking young. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to make collagen, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. Additionally, vitamin C in these fruits can help protect your skin from sun damage. Studies found that the antioxidant action of vitamin C can protect the skin against DNA damage from the sun's UVB rays. Start your day with a glass of fresh squeezed lemon water. For breakfast, try making a citrus salad. Mix together slices of oranges, grapefruits, and lemons for a colorful and tasty treat. For lunch or dinner, try adding lemon zest to your dishes. It's an easy way to bump up the flavor and the vitamin C content of your meals. You could also make a citrus-based dressing for your salads. It's a great way to replace heavy, creamy dressings with something lighter and healthier for your skin. And don't forget about snack time. Keep some orange slices in the fridge for a quick and easy snack. The best part about citrus fruits is that they're available all year round. This means you can enjoy their skin-boosting benefits no matter the season. Remember, the key to getting the most out of these fruits is to eat them regularly. Try to include some form of citrus in your diet every day. At number 6, we have leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with skin-loving goodness that can help you look younger. They're like nature's skincare in a leaf. The secret weapon in leafy greens is chlorophyll. This is what gives plants their green color. But it does more than just make plants pretty. Chlorophyll may help your body make more collagen. A study from the Journal of Lifestyle Medicine found that chlorophyll may boost the amount of collagen in your skin. More collagen means fewer wrinkles and younger-looking skin. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also full of vitamins and minerals that your skin loves. They have lots of vitamin C, which we know is great for making collagen. If you want to add leafy greens to your diet but do not like salads, try adding spinach to your morning smoothie. You won't even taste it, but your skin will know it's there. You can also try mixing some chopped kale into your pasta sauce. It adds color and nutrients without changing the taste much. It's an easy way to make your favorite meals better for your skin. Remember, eating leafy greens regularly is key. Try to have some every day if you can. Coming in at number 5 is garlic. It's packed with sulfur, a tiny but mighty mineral that helps your body make collagen and make your skin shine. But here's the cool part. Sulfur doesn't just help make collagen. It also stops it from breaking down. But wait, there's more. Garlic has 2 secret weapons called taurine and lipoic acid. These properties are great at fixing damaged collagen. Now, you might worry that garlic might make your breath smell. Don't worry, there are some tricks to help you get all the good stuff without the stink. Try roasting whole garlic cloves. It makes them sweet and mellow, perfect for spreading on toast or mixing into mashed potatoes. You can also add minced garlic to salad dressings for a flavor kick that's good for your skin. Moreover, garlic isn't just good for your skin, though. It can help keep your heart healthy and give your immune system a boost. A study from the Nutrition Journal found that garlic has cardioprotective effects. It means that garlic can protect the heart from diseases or injury. Remember, a little goes a long way with garlic. You don't need to eat a whole bulb to get the benefits. Just adding a clove or two to your meals a few times a week can make a big difference for your skin and your overall health. At number 4 on our list, we have beans. These simple legumes are packed with nutrients that keep your skin looking youthful and healthy. What's so great about beans for your skin? Well, they're rich in lysine and copper. Lysine is an amino acid essential for making collagen, while copper helps your body utilize that collagen effectively. Together, they make a powerful combo for maintaining strong and healthy skin. Research published in the journal Nutrients shows that lysine helps link molecules together, forming strong collagen fibers crucial for healthy tissue growth. And there's more. Each type of bean has its own special benefits. For example, pinto beans are high in zinc, which aids skin healing, and white beans are loaded with magnesium, important for overall health. Here are some easy ways to include beans in your diet. Whip up a tasty bean dip for your veggies, toss some beans into your salads for an extra boost of protein and skin-friendly nutrients. Or even try making bean-based brownies. The best part? Beans are incredibly affordable. A can of beans only costs a few dollars but can stretch across several meals, making them a budget-friendly option for great skin. Next, at number 3, we have cashews. These nuts are a powerhouse for skin health thanks to 2 key minerals, zinc and copper. These minerals are crucial for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and smooth. Zinc acts as a catalyst in your body, sparking the process that creates collagen. Copper, meanwhile, activates enzymes that are essential for collagen production. Together, they form a dynamic duo that rejuvenates your skin. Research published in the Journal of Science and Technology and Research highlights that the copper in cashews supports a protein called lysyl oxidase. This protein links collagen and elastin, which are vital for healthy skin. While cashews are beneficial, they are also high in calories. It's best to enjoy them in moderation. A handful a day provides all the skin-boosting benefits you need without going overboard. And if you're wondering how to include cashews in your diet, well, they're great chopped up in salads for a crunchy element or blended into morning smoothies for a creamy, nutty flavor. Beyond just supporting skin health, cashews are rich in healthy unsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure. So, for an easy boost to your skin health, consider grabbing some cashews next time you need a snack. At number 2 on our list is bone broth, often called liquid gold for your skin and overall health. What's so great about bone broth is that it's basically cooked collagen. When you simmer bones for hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can easily absorb. Bone broth is also rich in gelatin, which comes from the collagen in bones. Gelatin is fantastic for your skin and gut health. It helps heal your digestive tract, reducing inflammation throughout your body, which in turn promotes healthier, younger-looking skin. You can enjoy bone broth in several ways. Sip it like tea, use it as a base for soups, or cook your grains in it to boost both flavor and nutrition. If you're up for something new, try adding it to smoothies for a protein kick. Bone broth is also incredibly versatile. You can tweak its flavor with different herbs and spices to keep it interesting. A study in the medical journal Chest supports the benefits, showing that chicken soup, essentially flavored bone broth, can help reduce inflammation. This is excellent news since inflammation significantly contributes to skin aging. Bone broth is a nutrient powerhouse, packed with easily absorbed minerals like calcium and magnesium, crucial for skin health. Think of it as a multivitamin in liquid form. You don't have to consume a lot to see the benefits. Just adding a cup of bone broth to your daily diet can make a noticeable difference. Your journey to more youthful skin could begin with just a simple bowl of soup. And finally, at the top of our list at number 1, we have oysters. These aren't just a delicacy, they're powerhouse allies for your skin, packed with essential nutrients for maintaining firm and smooth skin. Oysters contain oyster hydrolysate, OH, which boosts the production of type 1 procollagen, a crucial building block for collagen. Type 1 collagen is the most prevalent type in our bodies and plays a key role in preventing wrinkles. By increasing procollagen, oysters not only improve skin elasticity, but also enhance overall tissue health. This makes collagen indispensable for keeping your appearance youthful and your tissues strong. Beyond skin benefits, oysters are loaded with vital vitamins and nutrients like vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals, which can help lower blood pressure, enhance immune function, and speed up wound healing. You can enjoy oysters in various ways. If you're adventurous, try them raw with a squeeze of lemon. If raw food isn't your preference, grilled oysters are a fantastic option, as the heat firms them up and enhances their flavor. If whole oysters don't appeal to you, consider adding them to soups or stews. This way, you can still benefit from their nutrients as they infuse into the broth. What sets oysters apart is their ability to pack a complete set of amino acids needed for collagen production into a small package. Moreover, choosing oysters supports sustainable seafood practices. So, when you choose oysters, you're not just caring for your skin, you're also making an environmentally responsible choice. And there you have it. We've explored 8 surprising foods that can help your skin look younger. From eggs to oysters, these foods are packed with nutrients that boost collagen production. The key is to eat a variety of these foods regularly. Try adding some of these foods to your meals this week. Maybe start your day with an egg, snack on some cashews, or add beans to your dinner. Small changes can make a big difference for your skin. Which of these collagen-rich foods surprised you the most? Do you already include any of them in your diet, or are you planning to add them? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. And don't forget to check out our merchandise for some cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.